today I've got two really exciting parts that I've been waiting for. We have the Nismo carbon fiber mirror covers. The weave on them is absolutely perfect. This is my third time trying to record this because I keep dropping stuff or forgetting to press record even to begin with. So yeah, I've already checked both. The weave on them is just absolutely perfect. They're nice and thin, so you'll never be able to know that this is just like an overlay and not an entire mirror assembly. I mean, these things are just, they're awesome. They're gonna look great on the car. All the little carbon fiber touches on the outside will blend in well together and look really good. Now this is currently my second favorite part next to the Boost Logic exhaust. I have some more stuff coming that will probably take the podium, but for now these are my two favorite pieces. We've got the Z1 carbon fiber strut brace. And I did already have a chance to look at this. It's also just absolutely perfect. They've done a great job on this. It's very light. I'm guessing 5 pounds or less. It's just not, it's got no weight at all to it. It's really nice. I know the factory Z only has a you know, straight bar across right now. The 370s had this triangle pattern. So it's got mounting points here. I'm just not sure if this Z retained the holes that the 370 had. I'd like to say that it did because, you know, it's sharing a lot of the parts from the 370 chassis. So hopefully those are already there. I don't have to drill into anything, but even if I do, this bad boy's going in the car. And I don't know if you could see it whenever I went by, but Z1's got their little raised logo on there. Looks sharp. I love the, you know, the branding they have on all their parts is just really good looking. And that's it. I can't wait to get this thing in.